Hello and welcome. This is an old computer of mine and it has some issues from time to time, and I want to check its RAM, its memory banks, whether they have an error, because checking them takes a long time, especially if they're not that fast and older and if they're big, so it doesn't check it automatically. So you have to run a dedicated test. So what I'm doing is I took it off from the mains, disconnected it from the power, from the AC. Make sure to do that as well. And now I'm gonna put in this memory stick back in, because I took it out. The computer wouldn't start, so I thought, hey, maybe this one got melted by the CPU. Now I just gotta figure out where the connector is. Okay, that's not correct. I have to rotate it, not to break the contacts. Spread these clips, I don't know how to call them. Okay, okay. And just there's really no good angle for this in this rather compact board. Click, click. Alright, so they're all in. Let's see if that works fine. Let me just blow up some more dust. Okay, and the rest can happen in Windows. So I'll just connect it back to the power. And there it goes. CN Windows. Alright, in Windows I'm just gonna hit the Windows and R key, and this brings up the Run window. I'm gonna type in mdsched.exe for memory debugging schedule, I suppose. And press enter. And then we get this. Check your computer for memory problems, restart now, or check for problems next time. We're gonna restart now. Alright. Because we already are ready for it. So it's just gonna boot as per usual. And here we have it, Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool, Windows checking for memory problems. This might take several minutes. Running test, pass 1 of 2, 0.1 complete, overall test status 0% complete. Status, no problems have been detected yet, although the test may appear inactive at times, it is still running. Please wait until testing is complete. Windows will restart the computer automatically. Test results will be displayed again after you log on. F1 options. Let's see if we interrupt this. Nope. Basic, standard, extended. The standard test includes all the basic tests plus LRAND. Okay, okay. That's fine. Tab next. And escape cancel. So we're just gonna... I hope we didn't interrupt it. Nope, we did not interrupt it. It is at 1 out of 2, 5% complete. Which means, well, 6%. Now it's completely 3%. So this is gonna take how much? Let's count. I think 1%, 6 seconds, 100 times 600 seconds, 10 minutes, 20 minutes in total, it seems. But this depends on whether the tests are, linearly growing. We shall see this later. So I'll just come back with the results later. Okay, so we did miss when it switched from 1 of 2 to 2 to 2, but we'll try to get the next one. I mean, when it completely is done. So looks like no problems yet. We'll see. 3% to go, 2% to go, 1% to go, and, well, come on, there we go. So yeah, it just boots into Windows, very unspectacular, and it promised us to show the results once it's in there. Let's see about that. Okay, so it's nothing. Okay, so we're hitting Windows key R again. Event Viewer.
At this point, a message in the notification area appears and disappears very quickly. I didn't record it this time, but then I did another test and recorded it next time. So let me just show it what it was supposed to look like. Extremely annoying because it disappears nearly immediately. Basically it says Windows Memory Diagnostic, no memory errors were detected, Windows Memory Diagnostic. Great, and then it goes away and never comes back. Well, it's a good news, but it would be nice to be able to see it permanently somewhere. Anyways, we're going to continue.
Let's just hit OK. And now we go to Applications and Services Logs.
It actually took 20 seconds for this to load. Wow.
We go to Microsoft, Windows, and Memory Diagnostics Results. And we can open this, I suppose. Okay, and if we double-click this, that was quite useless, so we're just gonna schedule this again.
There was no useful information, which might just mean that there was no error, which it basically said, which might mean that everything is fine, but I don't trust it, so I'm scheduling the extended test.
Alright, let's go for the extended test this time, and F10 to apply. And here we go. 2 tests, and this is gonna take longer. Alright, so we get this notification message, Windows Memory Diagnostic, no memory, and then it goes away. What the heck? It just goes away. Come on! I mean, I'm glad there was nothing found, but at least we should have some kind of constant info about that. But hey, at least the event viewer number of events went up by 1. That is the Memory Diagnostics results. So if we go in there, yeah, we have another new result. And it says nothing. And the details is, let's take a look. It's a string of data. What the heck? Well, at least I know that Windows thinks my RAM is in order. Cool. So this is how you do it. Hope this helps.
So while I did show you how to actually scan the memory for errors, I didn't find an error, and this did not solve the problem that I had with this computer. However, removing this one memory bank that is closest to the CPU actually did solve a problem, because I put it back in, the computer ran, and after a few times of running it a few hours, it started crashing again. So I just did what I did before. I took this particular RAM bar out. Here you can see me putting it in, but actually removing it does solve a problem. I don't know if the RAM is broken. I could put it in a different bank to find out. I don't know if the motherboard is broken. I don't know what's up. I don't care. Removing this one bar solves the problem. 6 gigabytes are just as good as 8 for the purpose of this computer, so that is fine with me. So if you have issues with RAM, you can figure them out with the tools that I showed you how to use here. Just try removing one bar, then the other, etc., etc. One of them might actually removing one of them might actually solve a problem. And solving problems is what we're here for.